All right, what else can we see? So pets are always good, but it's competitive. Um, Again, you're only spending $1.25. So what can you bundle in groups of 2 or 3? Perhaps you can bundle like these brushes. It doesn't make sense that brushes would be bundled, but maybe a brush with a toy or a glove, a grooming glove. These are popular and in demand. Brushes are obviously required, important. And then a toy, like Good Dog toy, would be something that would be useful, popular, you know. Then you would create photos of the 3 products. It would cost you $3.75, and then post it, create a listing, go get some UPC labels, and create your own listing. The great thing about doing that is now the Dollar Tree becomes your supplier, because they'll always stock that stuff. For the most part, that looks like a routine stock item for this store. More of those. So got some sort of spray bottle, metal cased, kind of water bottle like, but it's a spray bottle. That's cool. But I don't think you could bundle those. So now I'm in the baby aisle.